bring it down a little bit, but I can't because they're already
Now you guys know what it's like to be a fashion designer. Working really late at the final hour. That's what happens. This is part of real world, guys. You're really getting a good taste of it now, aren't you? How long have you been at this so far?
4 hours maybe?
Yep, 4 hours. And how old are you, Janie?
I'm 10.
10, 4 hours already. Melanie, you've been here longer.
5 or 6 hours.
Yep. And how many more? Well, everybody, what do you tell everybody how much work it is that goes into this, huh? Loads, huh? And that's what I mean. You appreciate what you guys are wearing out there and how long and many hours it takes for you to make what you're making. All right, everybody. These are the designers that you're going to see tomorrow. And they're working very late tonight to get it all done before Saturday.